Hi, I'm Augusta Aukusson, and I'm a Melrose fiber artist. Welcome to my studio. Over here is my design wall. You can see I have some fabrics on it ready to be turned into quilts. Next to my design wall, I store a lot of my framed pieces. I have several sewing machines. I have one that I use for piecing. You can see there's a quilt ready to be pieced together. Underneath that fabric is my travel machine. And up here is one I just couldn't resist because it was so beautiful. Doesn't work at all. Over on this desk, I do various things, framing being one of them. I have more fabric storage up here. Over on this table, I have my jelly plate, which I use to print my fabrics. And over here is my cutting table. You can see that I've got a mat to use with my rotary cutter. And every sewing studio needs an ironing board. You can see the ironing board is right in the middle of the room, so I can use it at any time. Over here is where the creativity happens. This pile of fabric eventually will become a quilt. Over here is my desk that I do collages on. You can see I've got my supplies all handy, and I have scissors and rotary cutters up on the wall. I have previous artwork up here. And then finally is my workhorse machine, my Juki. On here I do quilting by machine. I also quilt by hand, but I do that on smaller pieces. Up above my Juki, I have more storage. And let's just pan around the room. You can see here a quilt that has been done by hand. And here is another one that has been done by hand. And that's my studio. Thanks for coming to visit.